In order for PQRI to work on your system, it must be configured. Most importantly, you need to configure each payer who will be participating in PQRI. You must individually configure any payer who you would like to be PQRI friendly. Generally, this just consists of Medicare and Medicare offshoots like Railroad. Usually, the support team will help you with this configuration. You might want to know how to do it in order to add an additional payer. Part of PQRI configuration requirements is to have the codes added to your system. Don't worry, these are provided for you in Iridium Suite already. The next is the payer checkbox. You need to enable PQRI for the payer. So you would find the payer in the Insurer Management window. This is viewed on the screen now for Medicare, and the Service Center is selected. And at the bottom of the screen, you're going to select the PQRI Enabled button by checkmarking that and turning the feature on. Repeat the process for any of the payers, other service centers, or different payers entirely which you want to enable PQRI. Next, you're going to assign the payer scrubber rule, and to do so, we're going to exit the Insurance Editor and go right to the Practice Manager. From the Practice Manager, we need to go to the Scrubber Configuration. And now we'll open the Medicare script. I'm going to type Medicare in the field above, and we're going to add a script for PQRI configuration. I'm going to click on the Add button, and in the Add Scripts screen, scroll through the two-column editor and find the scripts for PQRI Measurement Executor. And I'm going to hold down the Control key and choose PQRI Not Configured as well, and apply these scripts. So now on the PQRI Measurement Executor, it's going to generate PQRI numerator charges based on denominator trigger codes and pre-configured PQRI measurements. And the PQRI Not Configured is a conflict scrubber rule to test to see if a service line has been entered on a treatment course where PQRI was never configured. Once PQRI is configured properly, you will start getting feedback from our scrubbing system to ensure that you don't forget to configure PQRI. The system will deliver a scrubber warning to you anytime you bill a code to a patient who is clinically qualified for at least one PQRI measure but has no configured measure. The warning in the Claims Processing and the Batch Insure Claims Manager screen will appear as in the example on screen and will also appear on the CPT capture screen. In this case, you can go configure PQRI for this patient. This concludes the PQRI configuration setup found in the Insurer Service Center. Thank you for viewing this training video. Please remember that Iridium Suite's online help manual is a valuable resource for your questions about the software.